What are seventh chords? We already know how to build triads, chords that consist of 3 notes. So here's a C major chord as an example. We know that we play the first, the third, and a fifth note. To play a seventh note, we are going to have to count to 7. So we're going to go up the scale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now the 7 is a B. Now if you play that, it sounds very dreamy. It sounds jazzy, but it's not quite bluesy. Now in blues music, all the 7th notes are flattened. So that means that we put the note half a step lower. So the 7th note will then become a B flat. So to practice the 7th chord, why don't you try to add the 7th to the chords that you are playing in your improvisation. So here's the G major chord. How would you build the 7th from G? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now G major has an F sharp, so the 7th note would be an F sharp, but to make it a flat, you then turn it into a natural. So a G chord with an added 7th, flattened 7th to be precise. Here's 12-bar sequence with the 7th chords. D7. Have a go. If you can add a few 7th chords, you are on your way to success.